Welcome back to Tech It's Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your comments in the Instagram app. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Instagram application. Firstly, you have to open your Instagram application and click on these three bars in the bottom left corner. After that, simply go to your activities. Step 2. Select the comments. Now, after going to your activities, you can see the comments option here. You just have to select the comments, and it will show all the previous comments that you made on posts and reels. Simply click on the comment that you want to edit. Step 3. Edit the comment. Now, after going to the comment that you want to edit, you have to find the option to edit the comment. But, as you can see, Instagram doesn't provide any option to edit the comment. So, the only option here is to delete your previous comment and write down a new one. I hope this video helped you. If yes, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching TH.